how to fix the iPhone Ghost Touch. So if your iPhone is pressing things automatically or it's moving by itself, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is go and load up your phone settings, and then we're going to scroll down this page and select General. Now scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now press Reset and click on Reset All Settings. You'll need to go and enter your iPhone passcode to confirm these changes, and don't worry, this won't delete any of your data, this will just reset your phone settings. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then head back over to your settings, come back over to the General page and click on Software Update. Now if there's any available software updates, you'll need to go and install these now, as oftentimes these updates contain bug fixes that will also go and solve this ghost issue. Now if it's still not working, try force restarting your iPhone. So to do this, tilt your phone onto its side. You can then tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold this button down until eventually your screen goes black. Continue to hold this button down, and after about 5 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. Now when you see the Apple logo, go and release the lock screen button. You can then wait for your phone to restart, and that should have now solved the issue. Now if your phone screen is still moving automatically, then try removing your iPhone case and also the screen protector as well. So sometimes the case can be pressing too hard on the iPhone, and it actually causes the issue where your phone starts moving by itself. Now if you have a screen protector, you could try doing the same thing and just removing the protector, and that's how to solve the Ghost Touch issue on your iPhone.